She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song the summer sings, maybe the chill the autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, maybe the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dreams, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. Seems so happy in a crowd whose eyes can be so private and so proud. No one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past that I remember till the day I die. I survive, the why and wherefore I'm alive, the one I'll care for through the rough and ready years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. For where she goes, I've got to be. The meaning of my life is she.
It's like I just stepped outside when everything was going right. And I know just why you could not come along with me. And this was not your dream, but you'll always believe in me. Another winter day has come and gone away. It is Paris Road, and I wanna go home. Let me go home. And I'm surrounded by, baby, I'm done. I gotta go home. Let me go
Her birthday is going to bring her to the Samay family. Music, please. Wow. Okay, come on. Next, bigay ng kusing. Dudes. Ayan. Ang isa sa mga anak mo ni Ma'am Relinda. Of course. And to Miss Cindy, ang kanyang daughter-in-law. Together with their beautiful daughters. We have And of course, we also have tonight, Ms. Rhea Samoy, ayan, the daughter-in-law of Mami Merlinda, together with the good Francis Claire Samoy. Everybody, palakpakan natin sila. Thank you very much po. Okay. Thank you very much to the Samoy family. Wow, okay. Thank you very much. Celebrate! Oh, celebrate! Celebrate! Celebrate the time! Yay! Thank you very much. Go to the muna sa mommy. Okay. Tita, can you please wait your audience? Mga kaibigan, please remain standing at this early point. Let's all greet her a happy birthday. 1, 2, 3, go! Siyempre, kailangan ng palakpakan. Masigabong palakpakan ni everybody. Ayan. Kaya wow, diba? Kaway ng beauty queen niya, everybody. Okay, mga kaibigan, ako, ang ating pong Tita Merlin is very generous because, hindi ko nasabi kanina, for tonight po, we're gonna give away maraming prizes. Okay? She's gonna share some of her blessings. We're gonna give much more prizes for tonight. Can you please remain standing because we would like, of course, to thank muna the God Almighty for the blessings He has given to our Tita Merlin for the past 59 years and now turning 60. And of course, as well as to everybody present here this evening. Okay? With that, I would like to invite Carey. Can you please join us here for the prayer po?
Ama na aming Diyos, nagpapasalamat po kami ng napakarami at nakikisaya kami sa aming kapatid na ngayon ay nagdaraos ng kanyang 60 kaarawan. Maraming salamat po, Ama, sa kabila ng mga pagsubok, sa kabila ng maraming karamdaman na dumating sa iyong lingkod hanggang ngayon nananatili sa karapatan sa loob ng iyong banal na iglesia. Man Diyos, hindi man niya kapiling ang ilan sa kanyang mga mahal sa buhay. Alam namin, naaalala nila ang dakikang araw na ito na ngayon, ang aming kapatid ay nagdaraos ng kanyang kaarawan. Narito, kapiling niya ang kanyang mga mahal sa buhay, ang kanyang mga kamag-anak, ang mga kaibigan. Nakikigalak kami sa kanya, Ama, sapagkat sumapit ang araw na ito na ngayon ay narito kami upang makisaya sa aming kapatid. Ang aming hiling sa iyo, Ama, palawigin pa sana ang kanyang buhay, bigyan ng magandang kalusugan, higit sa lahat manatili sa karapatan sa loob ng iyong banal na iglesia. Hindi man namin mabibigyan ng regalo ang aming kapatid, ang aming pakisuyo na sana'y pagpalain mo siya araw-araw. Pagpalain mo ang kanyang sambahayan, manatili sa loob ng iyong banal na iglesia. Ganito kami umaasa, dinirinig mo ang aming dalangin. Nagpatawad ka na sa aming mga pagkukulang sa pangalan po ng Panginoong Jesucristo.
Mga kaibigan, palangkong natin once again si Carlo. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much po. Napagano'n ka na lang para simulan po ang ating gabi. Thank you very much. Sige, tita. Sit down ka muna sa iyong throne. Ayan. Everybody, you now take your seats po. Thank you very much. And to formally start the program, mga kaibigan, of course, his son would like to welcome everybody. So I would like to request again for Mr. Dude Samuel Jr. to join me here to welcome all our guests. Can you please sit down for a while, mga kaibigan? Mr. Dudes. He's gonna formally start the program by welcoming everybody. Meron siyang very short welcome remarks for everybody. Sir Dudes. Sir Dudes.
Welcome sa birthday, sa 60th birthday ni Mama sa mga punta. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Yun, di ba papatagalin? Welcome din po. Yun na lang, salamat. Salamat sa pagpunta. Wala ko may sabihin.
Everybody, palakpakan natin, of course, na si Sir Dulce at si Miss Cindy has been very, very busy po organizing this very special birthday celebration for Mami Merlinda. Thank you very much, Sir Dulce. Okay. And for the kids, we're reminding them, yung pong food ng ating mga kids will be served sa kanila pong table. So mga mommies and daddies, yung mga mayroon pong mga kids dun sa harapan, don't worry because the kids will be served po ng kanilang kiddie meals for tonight. Sige po. So after picture